All right, so welcome to lecture 8 of the Introduction of Programming course, and today we're going to talk about loop structures. So before we start, let's see some of the key concepts that we're going to go over today. So first, we're going to talk about definite and indefinite loops, more specifically a for loop and while loop. Then we're going to revisit the concepts of Boolean operations from last week, and we'll also see some Boolean algebra. Okay, so after that, we're gonna go over some common loop patterns, which will include interactive loops and sentinel loops, post-test loops, infinite loops and a loop and a half, and file processing loops, and finally nested loops. As you can see, there's so many different ways we can create a loop structure. And if we have time, we're going to go over a case study, a simple event loop. So with this, let's go ahead and get started.